So here we have this emergency survival kit. Now this thing is a small hard plastic case that's jam-packed with a bunch of different survival tools. First off, we have this 83 by 51 inch blanket. So this uses the same technology as NASA, but it's a lot thinner, so it might tear apart if you're not careful. Now we have this compass, and as you can see, it's fairly accurate. There's a paracord bracelet that has a serrated edge, an emergency whistle, and a compass. Then there's a decent knife that can clip onto a loop, a better whistle, this wire saw, some flint and steel, this tactical pen that also has a hard point for breaking glass, a pretty decent flashlight, and this little multi-purpose survival tool. Now, these aren't the most fancy tools, but they pretty much all work as intended. So this is just a good kit to throw in a backpack when you go camping or just in case something goes wrong. And since it's so small, it won't take up too much of your valuable space.